Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Lighting Systems 20 at 10 webinar series. We're on the second Wednesday at 10 a.m. each and every month. We introduce one of our top manufacturers within 20 minutes. My name is Eric Lieber, and I will be your host today. If anyone has any questions during this presentation, please leave them in the chat. We will answer those towards the end of the discussion. Today's guest, joining us all the way from Arizona, is the Regional Sales Manager for KLUS, Jeff Schoepf. Welcome to the call. The floor is yours.
Thank you, Eric. And let me begin by thanking all of you for taking some time out of your very busy schedules to learn a little bit more about KLUS. For those not familiar with KLUS, let's start with maybe just a brief overview. KLUS is an international manufacturer of not just tape and aluminum profiles, but also a growing resource for providing exceptional lighting solutions. With 2 decades of experience in the United States, KLUS operates its North American facility out of Florida. KLUS leads the market in offering a vast selection of over 120 aluminum profiles. That is double, and in some cases, 3 times more than our competition. As with all of KLUS components, KLUS tapes are designed in-house to maximize performance. KLUS offers over 75 plus quality tapes and options, everything from static white and colors, adjustable white, dim to warm, RGB, RGBW, RGBAW, high efficiencies, 95 plus CRIs, and the list truly goes on. But as you know, not all tapes truly are created equal. Many tapes underperforming with inconsistent color, output, and questionable life expectancy. KLUS designs their tape with an added level of copper to manage voltage drops and added thermal management, making it 82% thicker than our competition, ensuring many, many years of quality performance. KLUS is so confident that of our tape that we offer a 7-year warranty at a very competitive price point. So let's chat a little bit about the fun stuff. Let's talk about some of the products and capabilities. And as mentioned, KLUS is known for its wide range of 120 aluminum profiles, giving the specification community a huge selection to choose from. Where KLUS is often overlooked is its variety of mounting configurations, its flexibility in modifications, its ease and cost savings installations that are also available. If I could ask you to remember anything today's discussion, it would be KLUS's commitment in providing exceptional lighting solutions to meet your project's needs. With the limited time that we have together, I've opted to kind of focus not so much on all of our product, but rather I thought we would review a couple of families, discuss the various options and the flexibilities that are offered when selecting KLUS products. The first product is the GIZA family with an aperture of just a little over 1 inch. This family has 8 plus profiles, each capable of diverse performance and installation options. Each offers the standard mounting solutions that include surface and drywall, suspended, T-grid, semi-regressed, regressed. And for those projects truly requiring something unique, we offer a commitment to collaborate with you to ensure that we meet your design intent. Whether it be simplistic or elaborate with an existing product, and when necessary, we are exceptional when it comes to custom designs. All offer IP20, with a majority of our products offering an IP65, and in some cases, when you have a demanding environment, we also have an IP65 rating. We excel in our ability to provide mounting solutions, be it traditional applications like adjustable clips, conductive power feeds to eliminate that bulky power cord, magnetized fasteners, or specialized mounting tracks to assist the contractor when the installation needs to be reduced labor and material cost focused. Our first example is the GIZA-LL. In this example, you see multiple suspended rings. The largest, a 20-foot diameter with a conductive power feed and side-to-side distribution providing 3,500 lumens per foot. Now, with the enhancement in technology, we are no longer limited to just a beautiful design, but we also can provide an exceptional source to meet required horizontal and vertical ambient light sources, or light levels, pardon me. When I show this type of installation, I often hear that it's very beautiful, but that would be probably the first that would have to VE on the project due to cost or even complexity. On the contrary, this application is a fraction of traditional linear costs, not to mention contractor-friendly installation. What you're looking at right now is that we have a recessed ceiling to suspended direct distribution installation. The suspended housing profile is a low profile height without bulky power cords. Once again, we utilize conductive stems as our power feeds. The suspended section transitions to a recess section via two 90-degree formed sections. Those are formed in the factory. Each section then is fastened together via easily attached lines for a very, very secure installation. The recess section utilizes an inexpensive mounting track, plastered and painted, finished in the drywall to achieve a trimless installation. The track installation is clean and without question contractor friendly, as the track is designed to receive the luminaire without tools, so the product is simply snapped in as an attachment. At times, that small apertures with a variable visible lens can cause an awful lot of glare. The GIZA-LL-ZMG is designed with a regress lens, shielding the lens from the standard viewing angles. This installation that we're looking at now is a suspended 10x14, direct beam distribution, conductive power feeds, two tapes in parallel generating 1800 lumens per foot. This side demonstrates two very common suspended patterns. One is a stacked linear collage of individual straight runs with sporadic 90 degrees and square pattern selections. The tape source is an adjustable white for variable tuning. The suspended hexagon patterns create a secondary sealing plane, and in this application provide 200-foot candles on task. This slide, on the other hand, conveys an extreme contrast in design with similar product. The Giza Dual LL is a 20-foot high visual statement consisting of 12 concentric rings, the largest diameter being 18 foot down to the small 4-foot diameter. The individual ring provides side-to-side distribution with alternating shield covers to create an appearance of an isolated or a floating illuminated arc. Conversely, the Giza on the right offers a very subtle direct distribution. The profile finish is intended to blend into the background, suspended look with a very low 1/4-inch profile housing and also a conductive power feed. The majority of KLUS profiles are capable of being are bendable in the vertical or horizontal axis, not to mention twisting the profile to create a fluid line of light. Technology has truly changed over the years, allowing us to create your design concepts, be it a simple, discrete light source in an atypical installation to something perhaps very elaborate as way of visual design statement. Where it was once rare to incorporate, strategic lighting, please kind of shelf that notion, continue that creativity with confidence that KLUS can meet your design needs with quality and aesthetics, performance, and at much reduced cost. One concept was realized with the low-profile Giza. This product required a fluid-like wave of light, which the Giza product was able to provide. This wave design is roughly a 10x20 pattern, direct distribution, painted white to disappear against the background and the brightness of the lens. Each run is a one-piece 10-foot with adjustable conductive power feed. The designer of this train station didn't want the traditional housing profile height of approximately 4 inches to distract from the overall clean lines of the project. So he opted to utilize the Giza family, the housing which has a 1-inch overall height. The outer oval pattern distribution is up and down, with the indirect application was provided with a single RGBW for the option of color accent. The direct distribution is static white with 2 parallel tapes at 1500 lumens per foot. The inner pattern is a surface mounted with a direct distribution. Again, the same static white to mimic that 1500 lumens per foot. The NISA family is the second example of product capabilities, each capable of diverse options and all utilizing that same common aperture width and overall performance. The NISA family offers surface, drywall, and wall mount options. Each offers a very continuous cove or perimeter lighting solution with excellent color and uniformity, perfect for restricted height access. All are a fraction of the cost of traditional lighting coves, offering labor savings and materials. IP65, IP20, and IP67 are available for all types, ideal for a knife edge installation, but at a very micro scale. So the NISA Poly, there are just times when beam adjustability is truly a must. The Poly offers a uniform continuous line of light, easy installation with 90-degree adjustability. The surface mounted clips can be installed horizontally or vertical surface, and they have a right or left 90-degree adjustability as well. The NISA PLA is perfect for those height-restricted mounting locations. The mounting track can be secured from below, plastered and finished with paint. Each provides easy to locate mounting track to ensure that the luminaire can be secured without line of sight. The NISA NI is the perfect micro edge solution with the budget, doesn't really allow for the cove material or even labor. The NISA NI provides a very clean edge, plastered and painted to provide a seamless transition match from the drywall. The light source can be mounted on a vertical and or horizontal applications for wall and ceiling illumination. This design will become a project favorite as the illumination is uniform in both light, level, and color. It is budget friendly and without question cost savings because we are not building out a cove. The NISA Little, this is a 2-inch high by 1.5-inch offset wall mounted perimeter uplight solution. Same source that we've used on the other NISA designs. It is small in scale with the ability to plaster and paint the fascia for a seamless vertical transition. The light source is hidden but continues to ensure all corners provide a continuous line of light. For the next part of today's discussion, I would like to introduce to you 2 new products. Products that likely would not be considered a tape profile solution by some, but an excellent representation of how KLUS sees its market position to design exceptional application-specific lighting designs that just happen to utilize performance tapes and profiles to create an exceptional lighting design at a smaller scale and reduced cost. The OLIS K was introduced earlier this year. 3.5-inch high extruded aluminum illuminated kick plate, concealed LED source to graze that vertical surface and provide ample horizontal illumination. Available for recessed or surface mounting configurations. Finishes are available in clear, black anodized, or optional painted surfaces if required. The OLIS K was designed to provide a continuous, robust, yet elegant illuminated kick plate. The corners are color matching with inside and outside corners, right and left end cap options. This product is ideal for wayfinding or egress lighting where codes truly permit. Optional IP65 for outdoor applications and easily assembled and maintained. And finally, I would like to introduce the Plank & Duo, a very low profile surface mounted sconce. Indirect, direct, continuous lighting solution, ADA compliant with less than 1.5 inches offset from the mounting surface. Overall height is under 4.5 inches. This light source is angled to ensure a uniform gradient indirect and direct wash of light. Various coatings can be applied to the surface of the extrusion fascia. It can be anodized, veneer, plaster, or even paint. Bullnose or straight edge corners are available to terminate runs or even provide a continuous run around a 90-degree corner. The Plankin Duo can be mounted in a horizontal or vertical position, and like most of our products, optional for an IP65 or outdoor applications. I want to thank you again for your time and happy to answer any questions.
Thank you, John, for a very thorough and informative presentation. I don't see any questions from the audience at this time, and I want to thank everybody on the call for attending today. If you enjoyed today's presentation, please feel free to join us again every Wednesday, the second Wednesday of each month at 10 o'clock for a 20-minute review of one of our top manufacturers. If you'd like to meet with Jeff in person or for a webinar series, please contact your lighting systems representative to book an appointment. Thanks, everyone, and have a great day.